Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you the simple Ghanaian pork tomato stew or all-purpose tomato stew. It's very delicious and very easy to put together. So if today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. To start with everything, I'll start by steaming my protein, and I'm using fresh pork. You can also use any protein of your choice. I will go in with some blended garlic, ginger and onion. I'll add some water to it, go in with some salt as well. I'll cover and allow it to cook until the meat is nice and soft. After extra 5 to 10 minutes, I am back to check on the meat and it's doing all good, but it's not soft enough for me, so I'll give it a gentle stir, cover it and allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat. Alright, so now the meat is nice and soft to my liking, so I'll set it aside and proceed to the next stage. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll start by heating up my cooking pot, which I'll be using for the stew. So afterwards I'll go in with some cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. After that I'll go in with some dried rosemary to give the oil extra taste. And after like 1 to 2 minutes of frying the rosemary, I'll also go in with my chopped onions. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I used in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, now let's fry the onions until it's nice and translucent. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with the leftover garlic and ginger, which I used to steam the meat. I'll also go in with some blended garlic, ginger and some onions as well. I'll give it a very good mix and I'll allow it to steam or cook until it's nice and ready. While that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after the pepper mix is also ready, I'll go in with some freshly blended tomatoes. I'll also give it a good mix. I'll cover and allow it to cook until the water drains out very well. Remember as well to check your stew from time to time to avoid it from burning. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with my tomato paste. For this recipe, you can either use fresh tomatoes or tomato paste, whichever one that you love it, just go for it. Alright, so afterwards I'll go in with some meat stock, which is definitely going to add extra taste to the stew very well. So now let's stir everything together, cover it and allow it to steam or cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Always remember to check your stew from time to time. If you're still with me and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Please do want to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after cooking the stew for about 10 to 15 minutes, it is all done and just ready. So moving forward, I'll go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce. You people know how much I love mackerels in my tomato stew. Trust me, it really adds extra taste to the stew very well, right? So after going in with the mackerel, I'll also give it a good mix, cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes for the mackerel taste to really get into the stew as well, and afterwards it should be ready for us to go in with any seasoning of choice. And before that, let me go in with the pork meat, which I also air fried it off camera, or you can also fry yours if you want. So I'll go in with some shrimp powder, some tomato stew seasoning powder, and a little bit of salt to taste. Remember, the seasoning and the salt is always to your taste. I'll stir everything well, cover it again, and allow the seasoning to also cook down as well. Alright, so now the stew is all done. So I'll go in with some chopped onions for extra crunchiness and for extra flavor as well. You can also omit this if you don't want to. Alright, I'll stir everything well. And when the onions goes in like this, that means your stew is ready. And so if you know me, you know me, I love pepper so much. So this is totally optional, and so I'm going to go in with some pakoshito, and pakoshito is not that hot. If you don't love pepper, trust me, don't go in with it, but this is to my preference. All right, I'll go in with it, and the stew is also ready as well. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this pork local Ghanaian stew. Is very easy to put together, and I hope you're going to try this recipe. Let me know as well in the comment section what you're going to pair with this, and I'll just be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.